May 5th. Good evening. It is May 5th, 2020. It's 4:36 p.m. Fox 45 has a crime and justice that they show every day. They talk about the corruption that's going on. Well, I gave crime and justice Rachel Aragon information yesterday. Today I talked to Elijah Westbrook. Tomorrow Rachel Aragon's supposed to get us back, but they need to get us to him. That's Scott Marder, all right? That's the one that y'all be showing on Fox 45 all the time, crime and justice. Well, I'm getting ready to do this right here. I'm getting ready to call him and ask him to represent me to file a class action lawsuit and ask him to protect me as a whistleblower. Now, I went to Dwight Pettit. I went to the Warren Brown. I went to J. Wendell Gordon. I went to Murphy Law Firm. Todd Yeary, Pastor Todd Yeary, don't want to talk about this or deal with this. JB, the ouch lawyer, don't want to deal with this. They always saying that statute of limitations ran out, this, and this. No. See, because the Department of Justice, this is a federal investigation. The statute of limitations didn't run out because the state participated in the fraud. Shellenberger participated and created this situation. Luke Broadwater, the Baltimore Sun, participated in this. This is a class action lawsuit I'm trying to file about the war on drugs. Y'all illegally incarcerated a lot of people in Baltimore, and those people were never compensated for that. Now this coronavirus is going on, and y'all leaving them out of the equation too. Go to call.
Hi, this is Scott Marder. I'm away from my desk right now, so please leave a message. If you need immediate assistance, please press 0.
All right, Mr. Marder, my name is Dwayne Davis. I see you on Fox 45. If you contact Rachel Aragon, she has a flash drive. We talking about crime and justice. I got a complete breakdown of the corruption in the state of Maryland, the Democratic Party, the judges, the lawyers, and the politicians. I'm a whistleblower. I'm a whistleblower on the courts, and I need a lawyer. I need a lawyer now. So you can reach me at 443-831-1188. I see that you do a lot of work at Fox 45. You can contact Jeff Abel. He got information about it. I got a portfolio with the FBI and the Department of Justice. I'm an activist in Baltimore, and I've been blowing the whistle since 2008. You're talking about Gov.O'Malley and his crime machine. Go deeper than just Pew. It's 52 of them. So contact me as soon as you can. Thank you for your time.
To make private, press 1. To make priority, press 2. To send, press pound. Priority. To make private, press 1. To remove priority status, press 2. To send, press pound. Thank you for leaving your message. To access your mailbox, press star R.
All right. Now that's sent off. They say pressure busts a pipe. Well, I'm going to put as much pressure on y'all as I possibly can. Today, my son's birthday, Cinco de Mayo. All right. I came here straight out of penitentiary in 1991, June. All right. I'm a prisoner's right advocate. I advocate for prisoners and homelessness. Now, we got another issue here with the homeless population. Baltimore City's director of homelessness quit. Everybody that has anything to do with the homeless population is not existing. And the reason that they're not there is because what Baltimore did was, I've been dealing with the homeless people since forever. All right. And this is what Baltimore City did. Jack Young and his homeless program. Jack Young and them said that they took care of the homeless. No, they didn't. They took the homeless and took them out on Knights Inn over on Security Boulevard, Baltimore County. They let them stay there for 14 days. After that 14 days, they kick them out and they put them back out in the streets. They homeless again. Baltimore City did that. They also going up into the homeless shelters at 12 o'clock at night, taking people out of the shelters at 12 o'clock at night, midnight. I got homeless people telling me this. Matter of fact, he told you about this the other day when I was in front of City Hall. Baltimore City is disposing of their homeless population in the homeless community. Y'all doing all these feedings and all these this and all these that. So I don't see none of y'all going to the homeless community taking care of the homeless people. They don't have nobody to advocate for them. They don't have nobody to speak up for them. They don't have computers. They don't have cell phones. They do have cell phones, but they got limited uses, and they're not in tune to what's going on. I went downtown today, seen Elijah Westbrook. I also seen some homeless people. Dude, they got people down there with no shoes on. They don't have the money to pay for a mask. Y'all charging $5 for a fucking mask. This coronavirus is going to kill a lot of people, but it's going to also show a lot of y'all's ignorance. Now, I'm going to wait for this lawyer to call, and I call some other lawyers. Nobody want to take this case because it's going to break this Democratic Party apart. Delegate Smith, Baltimore City delegation chairman, she told me to my face she was going to do something about this, and she just lied. Right? Baltimore City delegation, Telma Branch, and he in the middle of this, like in the deep end of this. I got a lady named Sharon Galloway. Me and Sharon Galloway went to Annapolis. We gave Senator McFadden this minority report back in 2012, 2011, 2012. Sharon Galloway did my videos for me and my documentaries pertaining to my court case. And she showed you a lot of shit. I also did my video about my kids in youth center at the Chum Center. All right. I got a lot of videos out there, but Rob Fix got the most important videos. You got the movie releases. So when this lawyer called and we get all this settled, the movie letters design is evidence for a federal investigation. I got a federal ID number 2911907. And this is about handling your business. It's about holding our officials accountable. Luke Broadwater got this Pulitzer Prize, this award. Man, all they're doing is that prize ain't nothing but that just giving validity to white supremacy. All his stories was about black people and black this and black that, because you demonize black people. And y'all's media been doing that for 400 years and glorifying it and rewarding it. So when I see Luke Broadwater, when I see Kevin Richter, when I see Yvonne Wingner, I see any of y'all from the Baltimore Sun, I'm going to dig in y'all. I'm going to put that camera in your face. Matter of fact, I'm building y'all a toilet for your award. I'm going to get a picture of the award. I'm going to get a picture of Luke Broadwater and his family, the same way that you did my family. I'm going to put that toilet in front of the Baltimore Sun. Now, last time I put a toilet in front of the Baltimore Sun, Joe Giordano took the toilet. It was about the money that y'all make off of black bodies. Go contact Joe Giordano. He's an award-winning photojournalist in Baltimore. And he's been around since long time. So contact Giordano, get a picture of that toilet. Contact Fern Shannon, get a picture of that toilet. Contact Bill Hughes and get a picture of that toilet. Because I'm getting ready to shit on y'all forever and a fucking day. No justice, no peace. I'm a nonviolent, peaceful demonstration. I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. And they pay attention to dumbass shit. When I put them toilets out, it's public shame. And I'm going to publicly shame y'all. I'm going to name y'all every time I open my mouth. Because like I said, I'm shooting for Netflix. Y'all gave Tiger King 34 million hits and y'all trying to figure out who going to play who with Tiger King. Dog, when you do Baltimore Rewired, who going to play Jack Young? Who going to play Sheila Dixon? Sheila Dixon, y'all want Sheila Dixon back in office, and Sheila Dixon ain't nothing but Marion Barry. Y'all let that crackhead motherfucker run D.C., and y'all was happy because crack was there. Now, Sheila Dixon, she done had a bite at the apple. The only reason Sheila Dixon ain't in jail is because of Patarakis and the Patarakis family. Let's get this shit perfectly fucking clear. The only reason Sheila Dixon ain't in jail is because she took a deal. If she'd have went to court like Pew, Patarakis would have testified, and Patarakis would have threw her under the bus. The daddy would have threw her under the bus. Y'all smacked the daddy on the hand and said the daddy couldn't donate no more. Daddy ain't got to donate. Patarakis got thousands of employees that donate to y'all's campaigns. Money laundering and washing money, man. They put a lot of money into y'all's campaigns in y'all's pockets. Patarakis is my client. I work for the daddy and the sons. I work for Ed Hale Jr. and Ed Hale Sr. I work for M&T Bank. I work for Bonnie Harrison, the owner of Insurance Incorporated. Bonnie Harris was married to Georgia from Georgia's Meat on Conklin, and their oldest son, I did his graduation. All right? Let's get that right. Bart Mitchell spent a lot of money with y'all. Bart Mitchell is a Republican. He spent a lot of money with the Republicans. He spent I did a party for Bart Mitchell at his house. Kendall Ehrlich was there. Their oldest son was there. He was 19. But this was 2006. I did this party. That shows you how long I've been dealing with the Ehrlichs. I supported Bob Ehrlich when he ran because I'm a black Republican. I'm a black radical Republican. I'm not a Donald Trump Republican. I'm a Frederick Douglass Republican. I'm an Emmett Till Republican. I'm a Martin Luther King Republican. I'm a black radical Republican fighting for freedom in 2020 because we've been fighting for it for 400 years and we ain't got it yet. I don't want reparations. I want freedom. I want to take black out of America like Marcus Garvey. Cut my finger, do a DNA search, Ancestry.com, and I will leave America. I'm not the only one to leave. I got a lot of people that would leave if they get that option. I got a lot of prisoners and inmates that'll leave if they get that option. We're going to revisit history. Take 2 steps backwards and 1 step forward. We're going to take black out of America. And we're going to keep it in the forefront. Homelessness, mass incarceration. That's my pet peeves. Y'all heard the message to this lawyer. He works for Fox 45. You see him every day. Crime and justice. It ain't going to keep being just us. I want Shellenberger. I want Bobby Zirkin. Shellenberger and Bobby Zirkin will destroy your whole party. If you get Shellenberger and Bobby Zirkin's law firm and Judge Turnbull's law firm, do a federal financial audit on them, and then do the cases that Shellenberger worked on, and see the cases that those law firms worked on, and you're going to see the patterns and practices. You're going to see how they shield and make money. Contact Bobby Zirkin. Ask him. Governor Hogan been shielding this too. And he's not immune to this. If Blagojevich went to jail for fraud and selling Congressman Obama's seat, Governor Hogan go to jail too. Because everything that I got on Governor Hogan, I'm going to send to President Obama. Enemy and my enemy going to be my friends. I'm going to practice the 48 powers of law. Fox 45 is going to snitch on Baltimore City. And I'm going to give the state of Maryland to President Trump. The same way that y'all went after President Trump with that whistleblower, I'm a whistleblower. I got whistleblower status. Kwesi and Fumi got to deal with me. Congressman Cummings had me on the docket to speak in front of the House Judiciary Committee about the prison industry. Y'all between the rock and the hard place, the mud and the dirt, and I'm on my way up, like Richard Pryor. Which way is up? I always knew which way was up. But on my way up, I'm gonna shove Shellenberger under the bus. On my way up, I'm gonna make sure Bobby Zirkin lose his 401k. On my way up, we're gonna see a lot of Governor O'Malley's mob machine go to jail. If they don't go to jail, dog, when I see you in public, I'm gonna treat you. You have an event, I'm gonna shit on you. I'm looking for Netflix. If Tiger King made it, Baltimore Rewired gonna make it too. It ain't gonna make it today, but in this next 6 months, I will be getting a call. Because I'm be sending this to everybody. Social media for social change. I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. The game is to be sold. It ain't to be told. I ain't selling wolf tickets. This real shit.